Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special. Toyota has taken the Yaris Cross to a whole new level of style and sophistication with the introduction of the limited edition Premiere Edition. This top-of-the-line model showcases exclusive features and a level of detail that sets it apart from the rest of the lineup. Let's get into what makes the Yaris Cross Premiere Edition truly exceptional. First off, the Urban Khaki paint finish. This isn't just any paint job. This unique color exudes a sense of rugged elegance that perfectly complements the Yaris Cross's urban SUV character. It's a statement of sophistication and exclusivity that you won't find on any other model. But Toyota didn't stop there. They enhanced the exterior even further with a bi-tone execution. This pairs the Urban Khaki with a contrasting roof color, accentuating the vehicle's sleek lines and adding a modern touch of flair. Now, let's talk about the wheels. The 18-inch dark gray machined alloy wheels are a perfect finishing touch. These wheels not only look stunning, but also provide a smooth and responsive drive, highlighting the Yaris Cross's sporty yet refined persona. Stepping inside the Yaris Cross Premiere Edition, you're immediately greeted by bespoke upholstery stitching. This attention to detail adds a premium touch to the cabin, offering a sense of craftsmanship and quality that enhances the overall driving experience. The interior deco lines are another thoughtful detail. They're carefully chosen to match the Urban Khaki exterior, creating a cohesive and harmonious look. This ensures that the sophisticated feel of the outside is carried through to the interior, providing a seamless and immersive environment for both the driver and passengers. The use of high-quality materials throughout the cabin elevates the luxury feel. Soft touch surfaces, refined trims, and comfortable seating make every journey in the Yaris Cross Premiere Edition a delight. And it's not just about looks. This model is packed with the latest in automotive technology. From the customizable 12.3-inch digital driver's display to the advanced Toyota Smart Connect multimedia system, every feature is designed to enhance convenience, connectivity, and enjoyment. To sum it up, the new Yaris Cross Premiere Edition is not just a car, it's an experience of luxury and innovation. Its exclusive Urban Khaki paint, bi-tone design, and bespoke interior features make it a standout choice for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a weekend adventure, the Yaris Cross Premiere Edition offers a blend of style, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology that sets a new benchmark in the compact SUV segment. So, if you're looking to explore the pinnacle of style and innovation, look no further than the new Yaris Cross Premiere Edition. Toyota continues to push the boundaries of automotive excellence, and this model is proof of that. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy driving!